Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This one, we're back at Funco. So let's go inside and see what everyone's doing. Got Jeffro right here. Oh, we got Jesse right there too. Looks like Jeffro's fixing a windshield right here. This car here. Or is it a new one?
No, it's a windshield for this car.
Nice. So yeah, some of you guys probably recognize this Funco right here. It's got a pretty unique paint job on it. It's got the gold. Let me show you real quick. It's got that gold, dude. It's freaking sick. And also, here's a cage that Funco built for a Can-Am 4-seater. They built them for both 2-seaters and 4-seaters. This one has the cage doors and a wing. If you guys want one too, go ahead and I'll put my email on the screen right now so you can email me and I'll be sure to take great care of you. Damn, look at that purple though, dude. Alright, and right here we have a LS base engine. It's got Pro X heads from CBM. Whipple supercharger, as you can see. And here's a airbag right here for the shocks you see on the Funkos. Damn, this car is pretty clean right here, dude. This blue one right here, this thing's clean. Check out the inside. Freaking spotless in there, dude. Sick. Let's get a better view of the shop up here. So this is where assembly happens and like service. And I got some more parts up here up top. Kind of empty right now, but I usually got tons of parts up here. Alright, so you know sometimes Funco will have those cars that you can't see until it's all the way done or until like the stand show. Well, there's one right here that's pretty special, but unfortunately you guys can't see it until the stand show. Yo Jake, yo Jake,
What you doing, bro?
what's up, man? Yeah, dude, it is. So yeah, I get a lot of questions in my videos about what kind of transmissions go in these cars that can handle that kind of abuse. And here's one right here. It's an Albins transmission. This one's just getting prepped to go into a car. So yeah, it's an Albins transmission, sequential. So what are you grinding right here?
We had to grind part of the tranny so we can put a 90.
Okay.
And that's our oil feed for the oil cooler.
Oh, I see. So it's like for the plumbing?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay, I see. Cool. Whoa! Yeah! Damn it!
Trying to
got
get
it.
out your film,
Got it, dude. Bastard. What's up, Chivo?
What's up, dude?
How you doing, man? Chilling. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. It's time to say peace out to Jeffro real quick. Say peace out.
Later, guys.
Jesse, taking off. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video. Peace.